What about him? What were you expecting to happen today?
Last draw, whatever do?
Last draw.
Paula Lewin and her crew, this is what they think them last draw. But this is bigger than Mr. Buchanan. This is also the ancestral work. The ancestral work.
Wanna do me a favor there? Leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so we can keep you updated in entertainment, news and current event. So watch out now my people. Fans of Vybz Kartel, Adija the teacher, world boss, Palmer, took the streets yesterday hoping to hear the good news of Vybz Kartel being released. Also we have the YouTuber Christmas List arrested in Trinidad. SENSEEA Italian feature in MASICKA, the fastest Jamaican collaboration to hit 50 million views. Yes man people. Also we have an infant being killed by a man of unsound mind. All the time I want to come back, so I'm going to go and stay tuned. Now that we got that all out of the way, hey, Grand Godzilla, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing What You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's What You Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What You Know.
If a youth, unstoppable, run away train, everything fence, every lane.
So watch you know. That post was made by the official Vybz Kartel Instagram, and you know people, there was a bit of confusion pertaining to the whole Vybz Kartel getting bail yesterday. I don't know who start the rumor there, you know people. I can bet it's a Gully fan, you know what I mean, because you know people that run with it, you know what I mean, so the artists get bail, some people start, you know, cheer, some people start celebrate. And then after that, you know, the official media platform them start release some statements saying that the artist and two of his three co-accused was denied bail. Is what I say people. So, you know, that kind of breaks some of the Gaza fans, you know, art is it, because you know them did look forward to see the artist come road. So you know some videos start making it round on social media going viral of L.A. Lewis, and you know some loyal fans, as I say, we came to the justice court to show them support for the artists. On the pray.
What about him? What were you expecting to happen today?
After seeing this video of the lady crying about Vybz Kartel not getting bail, you know, I went straight to the comment section and started reading some of the comments, you know what I mean, because I wanted to see if she was related to Vybz Kartel or just a fan, you know what I mean, and it looked like she was just a fan. And some people was making comments like, you know, she crying for Vybz Kartel, she need to cry about the minimum wage. You see me, I say. And some people were saying I hope so the people show the same energy, you know what I mean, when it pertains to, you know, better in Jamaica and not for the celebrities that's, you know, rich and made some wrong decision that end up behind bars. You know what I mean? But you don't know, everybody entitled to them own opinion, I should say. You get what I say, but you don't know at the end of the day it is what it is. But you know some people are go definitely highlight the situation and make use of the whole publicity, as I say, like the great L.A. Lewis people. What you are going?
Last draw, whatever do?
Last draw.
Paula Lewin and her crew, this is what they think them last draw. But this is bigger than Mr. Buchanan. This is also the ancestral work. The ancestral work? Alright, so big up the press and the media for turning out. So we're supporting Vybz Kartel and DJ Palmer. So this is like what them do to Jesus. So England wash the man clean of it. The King of England wash the man clean like what they did to Jesus. Yes, and so Paula Lewin now is carrying out a witch hunt I would have said a manhunt. What she's carrying out? So people, so big up the real part of the law system. We need the real law. Because if them crucify cartel, this is a proof that Jamaica got the worst law system in history. Right, am I right, people? Right! Because if one of you out here so can show me one reason why cartel should be there, so now me go $1 million.
Why cartel should what?
Why should cartel should be around there now?
Tosh, yeah, morning, Christina. Tosh, look where Chloe have inside her bag of gas school. Just take a look and look which part me reach. Down a Mika, yeah, so me reach. And look, I me just one mind say, check the bag. She said no book not in her bag. So me say, why the bag is so heavy? Look what is in Chloe bag. Eh? Nobody know that if you carry them go to school and say me late this morning. At 9 now I'm preach work 8 o'clock and look what in a Chloe bag. What am I to do with Chloe this morning? What me to do with Chloe this morning?
Me ask you. You know about TikTok?
Yeah?
You know about TikTok?
No, you know, so I'm not to do them thing them boss.
Oh, you don't know about TikTok?
No, I have a clue about this.
Oh, so you don't know? Oh.
Real people are not for funny. They see woman when you say about something. So when they have certain argument.
A joke me I make, bro.
Listen what me I say.
Yeah. Yeah, I say.
I look at you, I don't want disrespect. Say this, where you say,
Yeah.
take you up this.
Yeah. A joke me around, bro.
So suppose the woman husband to come out and lick in your face.
A joke me I make, bro.
You keep an eating argument to yourself when you ask a woman, a married woman, you ask a woman if she ever eat.
Everybody knows that a joke me I make. A joke me I make, father.
Listen, brother.
Me I hear what you say, bro, but a joke me I make.
Listen what me I say, and listen me carefully.
Yeah.
You come on Airbnb for enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Look where you post up with. Make it be first and the last. If you see anything over here, so we know you post nothing on TikTok.
Alright, bro.
You hear that?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Yes, man, people. So that was TikToker Jaden. You know what I mean? And for those who don't know, you know the saying that's been going viral for the last couple of weeks about if house can skate pan toll. Yeah, man. Him and the man who started. You see me, I say, him and, you know, Pretty Dan been going back and forth for the last couple of days. Yeah, but for some reason, you know, them keep on, you know, I do or I say things for shock value. You get to me and say people. So from all days like him over eating disorder. You know, so him, I walk up to random ladies and I talk, well, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. Is what me I say. So this is some man if you come page him wicked and rough him up. And you see him get soft. You see people, so you have to watch how you do and say things to people around because you don't know who is who. You know what I mean? If you're not about that life, you get to me I say. But yeah, man, some people for just keep them eating disorder to themselves. You see, pray. Yes, man. 50 million views and counting, and don't think I'm joking. I want to say congrats to SENSEEA, and I want to say pick up to MASICKA. You get to me, I say people. Yeah, man. Good look for SENSEEA and even better look for DANCEHALL. You get to me, I say. So I want to say again, congrats from reaching that milestone. Is what I say, and being the first Jamaican collaboration to reach 50 million views on YouTube. You get to me, I say people. Hit and Run was never a hit and miss. It was a big song, it was a hit song. You get to me and say, you know what, SENSEEA or Flowers, is it? Because you don't know in time, when we ready, when we ready for beat her, you see me and say, for where she are going with overseas, you see me, we beat her, say, it's only right that we give her Flowers. Yeah man, big up to SENSEEA and big up to MASICKA. Man who fatally wounded a toddler was apprehended by a resident. A man who was said to be deported from the United States attacked several residents of the St. Mary community yesterday, fatally injuring a 3-year-old. He was apprehended by a resident who handed him over to the police. Jaja. Only 3 years old. Jano. Young, innocent, have a whole life ahead of him. You know people, you see it. Even though he's a mentally ill man, I know if he's in some community, him a left piece by piece. Get what me I say? And that is just the truth, because you don't know when a man hurt a family, you see me, especially a young baby, you know, all persons can take it, or a mother and a father can take it, as well, me I say people. But it's set away, and I swear, you see it. Army.
Well-known travel vlogger, fondly known as Christmas List, is in questioning for filming and uploading footage of Trinidad and Tobago's gang culture and violent behavior. In some of these videos, unidentified men can be seen holding what appear to be firearms.
I'm still here again in Trinidad. Today's video is going to be groundbreaking. It's the first video in which I went to one neighborhood and I actually spoke to both movements, we'll call it. They're complete enemies and they're actually in a violent war back and forth, killing each other today. In this video, I'm going to talk to both sides. And as a bonus...
So people, Canadian vlogger Christmas List, whose given name is Christopher Hughes, who has been charged with 1 count of sedition to YouTube videos he posted of interviews done with alleged gangsters. This photo was posted to his Facebook page. YouTube vlogger Christopher Christmas List Hughes is expected to face a master of the High Court on June the 3rd to answer a charge of publishing a statement with seditious intention. He was charged on May the 29th under the Sedition Act and, if convicted, faces up to 2 years in prison. Jano people, it's serious, no joke. No night you see Trinidad a laugh. No sir, I saw it serious. I was a Chris come here, you know what I mean, a Jamaican, we embrace him because we say him, you know, highlight some of the talent, we say, you see me I say, we're in the trenches, we're in the garrison. You see it, him now just come and say more interview, you see me, so-called gangster to speak, you see me I say. And you know, Christmas is all over the world, people. Iran, Iraq, Pakistan, you know what I mean, Brazil. Some of the most dangerous part of the world, you see it. So if you see him go Trinidad, and Trinidad really arrest the man. So all of the criminal them out there and a tourists. And I highlight, you know what I mean, the ins and outs, the good and the bad. Him on the choose for arrest, but not the gangsters. Jello people. You see me, kinda sticky, you see it. But free of Christmas List, you see me I say, a good peoples, you see it. It's a brother where come here and we animal power, you see me I say. Him always embrace the culture. You see it. And I do a follow-up video on this, you know, people. Okay, I don't know the video kind of long already. You see it. But say no more. Free up Christmas List.